This is Benjamin Johnson doing the video demonstration of Lab 9 Experiment 2. And so just to show you here, we are going to be running these instructions as shown here and as shown in the waveform right here on the DE2 board. So as you can see from the waveform, our initial value is going to be an output of 5 because enable has not been set low yet, which you can see right here with this toggle switch. So our enable is up, output is 5, and you can see that it corresponds with our instruction here that is setting register 2 to the value of 5. And so I'm going to disable the reset, and now when I push on this button, which is this key right here is the clock, we're going to see 5. It's going to go to C, and then it's going to go to 3. So we go 5 to C, and we can see that now we've put 12 into register 3, and we see that correspond here on the waveform. And next is going to be 3, and now we have 3 right there because we're setting register 7 to 12 minus 9 is 3. And so I'm just going to go ahead and skip showing the rest of these instructions and just simply reference the waveform to show what the proper output should be. And so after 3 we're going to have 7, and then after 7 we're going to have 4, then after 4 we're going to have B. After B we're going to have 8. After 8 we're going to have 0 for 2 cycles, so that's 1 cycle, and then 2 cycles, and then after that we're going to have 1. And again, you can see it's all corresponding with our waveform here. And so next we should have C7. So now we have C7. Alright, and now here is where we're going to run into some problems because the output here is supposed to be in hex. It's supposed to be 50. The thing is that I set up the code because I wanted to save time. I only set up the code to show the very last hex numerical. So we're not going to see the corresponding 50 in hex because it was just going to take way too long to code that. So took a shortcut. So when I press the key there, nothing happens. Well, there we go. Now we see it go and hit 0, but I believe that 0 is actually corresponding with this cycle right here. And then lastly, we should see it. Yeah, there we go. Stuck at 0 because it's not able to display the hex 54 right there. Again, because I didn't code for that. It would be very simple to, of course, to do that. It's just that it would take way too long to do. And then, of course, you know, all these outputs, as described in my lab document, are corresponding with the results of each instruction that we see here. And so as you can see, the code is working properly, and it's working properly on the DE2.